Hey Georgia, this is me, Joel. I wanted to show you how you can change your email font. So there are a couple of ways you can do it. The first thing you can, one of the quick ways is if I type in a message to you, I can go within my email, I can just type the message and then highlight what I have, and then up here I can change the font to something else. I can change the size right here. I can even change the color if I want to. I can bold it, italicize it. Okay, so that's one way to do it. Let's say that you're not happy with the default font. If you just want all of your email messages to be larger, the font to be larger, or a different font altogether, then you can go up to Mail, right up here. If you click on Mail, Preferences, this has a bunch of different things that you can click on. Okay, so these all change different preferences that you have for your email account. What I did, because I wanted Georgia is my favorite font, so I clicked on Fonts and Colors, changed the message font to Georgia 14. Okay, so if you click on Select, then you can choose any of these that you like, and you can choose, these different typefaces and then the size. I like 14 because it's on my screen. It's just about the right size. So go ahead and decide which one you like, and that should help you figure out, or that should help you change the font to something that's a little bit larger. So let me know if that works for you.